Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see how we can use this one Burp extension and how we can bypass rate limit attacks onto the website. If any website has put any kind of protection for rate limit and which is checking based on IP addresses, we can bypass this. As we already saw how a researcher was able to bypass the Instagram vulnerability, in a similar manner we can make similar proof of concepts for website which do rate limiting based on IP addresses. So we are going to install this extension and I'm going to guide you how you can install this and how you can use it. Then we are going to see a proof of concept on a website that are we able to bypass the rate limit on the website. Yes, so as you can see here, this extension name is fake IP and we are going to load this into our Burp suite. This extension gives us fake specified IPs, local IPs, random IPs and random IP blasting. Okay, so as you can see, please input your IP. You can see here we are able to add new IPs. Yes, so let's quickly see how can we use this. For that, first you need to go to your Burp suite. In your Burp suite you need to go to your extender. In extender you need to go to the options tab and you need to set up the Python environment. For setting up the Python environment, you need to download Jython standalone jar. For downloading Jython, you just have to go to jython.org/download this website and you can click on this Jython standalone and you can download this. After downloading, you just need to go into the Burp suite and give the path where you have downloaded. So I've already selected the path of this Jython standalone. After completing this, you have to go to the extensions. After going in extensions, you have to add a new extension, select Python from here, then it will say .py file and just select fakeip.py. I've already selected here and just click next. You will be able to see that fake IP extension is loaded here. Okay, fine. So how do we test this? I'm just going to show this how do we use this onto one of the requests that is going to Cloudflare. I will just click anywhere, right click, and you can see an option of fake IP. So there are three options: input IP, the localhost IP and a random IP. So I will just click on localhost IP and you can see it is giving the localhost IP. So let me just clear everything because I already added these things into my when I was testing. Let me just delete everything. Yeah, so let me again just right click fake IP and loopback IP. So as you can see, this little extension is adding new IP addresses with new headers. As you can see, the IP is the local loopback IP, localhost IP and x forwarded for, x forwarded host, client IP, remote IP, etc. Okay, in the similar manner you can right click, you can click on fake IP, you can input your own IP if you want. So let's say this time I input 192.168.1.1 and hit OK. So it will enter those IP. The last option is the random IP. You click on random IP and it will automatically take a random IP. So let me just delete everything for you. Okay, so I hope you guys understood that how to use this fake IP extension in Burp suite and you can try to bypass a lot of websites. Thank you.